He is an American decathlete and Olympic gold medalist who also put his body through the paces. Dan O'Brien is here with Dr. Cecil Graham, Medical Director at Catalyst Pain Solutions, to tell us about his pain and how he overcame it. Good morning, gentlemen.
Hi. Good morning.
So, Dan, as we said, you put your body through the paces. What were some of the major pain issues that you were facing that took you to Catalyst Pain Solutions?
Well, I competed in the decathlon almost 20 years, and when I got out of the sport, I felt pretty good, but it wasn't until I got into my mid-40s, even close, I'm 50 years old now, I've got a bulging disc that just set me off. I was in a lot of pain for about 2 years and really walked around hunched over. I had a lot of low back pain shooting down my legs. I wasn't able to do the things that I wanted to do, and not just from an athletic standpoint, but just in everyday life. Couldn't play golf, couldn't work out. I just still loved to work out and stay fit. But, you know, sitting on a plane, going to the movies, just every time I stood up, sat down, it was a real trial for me.
Right, and that just ruins your life when you're in that much pain. So tell me about your experience at Catalyst Pain Solutions.
Well, I had a great experience there. I got immediate relief, but first off, I got diagnosed correctly. I didn't know what the problem was. The doctors sent me to get an MRI. They went through the MRI with me and said, this is what's going on, and we think we can help you. And they did, and I got immediate relief.
Wow, so how has your quality of life changed? I mean, you walked in here, you're smiling, you look like you're feeling good.
Well, I'll tell you, there's nothing probably more emasculating than having low back pain that just takes you out of your game. You know, I didn't feel like even half the athlete that I was. My quality of life has really gone through the roof. I'm doing the things that I like to do, and that's, you know, lift weights, ride my bike, even just go for a walk with the dogs.
Little golf too?
A little golf, yes.
Not too much.
Well, I didn't play that much before, and so, you know, I really don't play that much anymore, but a nice routine of exercise. I do a lot of physical therapy on my own. I'm able to do the things that make the biggest difference in my life.
And Dr. Graham, can you talk a little bit about some of the process and the treatment that you guys went through here?
Well, it's basically like you come to any physician. We take a good history, a good physical, do any diagnostic studies that we need, but we always want to try to treat the underlying cause, and that's our goal. We don't prescribe narcotics and that kind of thing. We don't want to mask a situation or contribute to that. So we always try to find the cause and go after that.
What are some tips for the audience to prevent injuries? A lot of us are weekend warriors, and we want to stay as fit and healthy as we can long term. What are we doing wrong?
Well, in Arizona, the first word is always hydration. So you have to stay very well hydrated. And then stretching. Yeah, it's not a secret. It's just you got to do it. You know, you need to stretch. Athletes know, stretch before and stretch after. And I see people all the time go and they just start doing it. And that's the biggest thing, is just to stretch.
And I think that's because we're all trying to squeeze it in wherever we can, and you've got such a small window of time. What would you like people at home to leave with today?
Well, we treat everyone, we get to know them like family. You know, it's what we do. I'm a pain patient myself. I've got 8 levels of my own spine fused. So I'm not only, I tell all my patients, I'm not only a pain specialist, I'm a fellow sufferer. So it gives me a unique perspective when I address them.
Yeah, you know exactly what they're talking about. And you deal with all types of pain, too, at Catalyst Pain Solutions.
Everything from chronic headaches, fibromyalgia, any spine-related issue, joint-related issue.
All right. Thank you guys both for being here. Glad you're feeling better.
Thanks.
And if you'd like more information on Catalyst Pain Solutions, visit them online at catalystpainsolutions.com or call the number on your screen.